Adjust the pricing and the minimum nights on certain dates for a multi-unit as a whole, with just a few simple clicks through the multi-calendar. Let's see how it's done. To get started, click here to go to the multi-calendar. It is possible to show nightly rate, minimum nights, or both at the same time. You can easily spot multi-units by this arrow next to them, along with the number of subunits appearing below. Click the arrow to reveal the subunits and their assigned reservations, and again to hide them. Now, click and drag your mouse across the relevant selection of dates, and then click Override Minimum Nights or Rates. Keep in mind, choosing dates in a multi-unit will change the pricing and the minimum nights in all of the subunits at once. If you're using a rate strategy, in which pricing and minimum nights are automatically adjusted based on the rules you set, you'll need to check these checkboxes to manually override those rules. Fill in the new nightly rate, minimum nights, or both. Click Save, and that's it. The new prices and minimum nights you set will be updated in the multi-calendar immediately. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.